Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you how you can completely wipe your PlayStation Vita, so get all of your PlayStation Network ID off it and also put it back to factory settings. This would be ideal if you want to sell on your PlayStation Vita and you don't want to cause the next owner any hassles, and also you don't want them to have access to any of your information. So what we need to do is we need to go to Settings and we're going to go to Start. We're now going to go down to where it says Format, and we're going to go to Restore this system. If you restore this system, settings will be restored to default values and all data in the system storage will be deleted. So I'm going to go to Restore, and it says it's activated. This system's activated with a Sony Entertainment Network account. If you restore the system, you will not be able to deactivate it later. Do you wish to deactivate the system before restoring? So I'm going to go to Yes, and then it says the system will close all applications in use. Do you want to continue? I'm going to go to Yes. And now it brings up this screen here. Now I'm not showing you it because it's got all my ID in, but you can see there it's got my name at the top and it's got my password. So I'm just going to have to go to OK because I obviously have to deactivate my account from here. And now it says please wait. And it says deactivating complete. So now my account is taken off here. So that's one step. So I'm going to go to OK. And now I'm going to go to Restore. Settings will be restored to default values and all data in the system storage will be deleted. Are you sure you want to continue? I'm going to go to Yes. Restoring complete. Do you want to format the memory card also? Well, I do, because I want to sell that separately. If you format a memory card, all the data on the memory card will be deleted. So go to Format. All data on the memory card will be deleted. Are you sure you wish to continue? Go to Yes. Formatting. Do not remove the memory card or power off. Formatting complete. The system will restart. And now that is it. It will be put back to default settings, so everything will be like it was when it came out of the factory, apart from the version of software that it's running. And there we go. You can see now that this is like it was at the very beginning. So the next owner will have to go through the welcome video and set it up just like the very first owner did when they bought it, you see. Okay, now that's it. All we have to do is turn it off. So press and hold the power button. Power off. Now this is important. Don't forget, when it's fully off, don't forget to take out your memory card, because especially if you're trading this into a shop, then if that's left in there, they might not even check it and you're not going to get paid for that. So take out your memory card, and also, again, take out your game as well, because they can all be sold separately, even to the shop that you're trading it in with. So there we go, that's how you do it, and now you know that the next person's not going to have any access to your information, and you know they will be able to use it just like it was intended to be used. Thanks a lot for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Take care. Bye now.